Welcome children, this is your social class, the continuation of chapter 1, the southern plateau and the island. So the last classes we are discussed about which are our southern plateau and life of the region. Okay, so today we are going to learn about what is island and which are the important islands. Okay, tell me children, what is island? Island is full of covered with water in that type of areas or that type of lands we called island. So the important islands are Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Okay, and at the same time there are many small islands along the coast. Along the coast we have more islands are there, but mainly two islands are there, that is Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Okay, so the first one, Andaman and Nicobar Island. So Andaman and Nicobar Island are in Bay of Bengal, at the same time Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. Andaman Nicobar Island separated 10-degree channel. Okay, that is important question. Andaman Nicobar Island is separated 10-degree channel, and the Andaman Nicobar Island, the main occupation, the people's main occupation is fishing and farming, and they are cultivating the crops are rice and coconut also. Coconut and rice also. Rice is the main crop grown in this island, and the cultivating coconut also. And the main some peoples are doing make shell and embroidery, that is wooden handicraft. Wooden handicraft items also peoples are doing. And their important language, their people speak language is Bangla. Bangla language is speaking from the, and the important point is one of the famous jail, that is cellular jail, also in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, cellular jail. So you can see the picture in your textbook. This is cellular jail, page number 155. You can see that is cellular jail also in Andaman Nicobar Island, that is in Port Blair. Port Blair. Okay, so many Indian freedom fighters were kept in this jail during India's struggle freedom. Indikku vendite Indikku swatantrayam kittan vendite fight cheyda ഒരുപാട് freedom fighters ne Britishkaar പിടിച്ചിട്ട ഒരു ജയിലാണ് എന്ത് cellular jail. Okay, that is also in Andaman Nicobar Island. And this one also, this area also major attractive, that is tourist attractive places also in this island. The second island is Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island is in Arabian Sea. The peoples that speak Malayalam, and their famous means main occupation is also farming, and they are cultivating rice and coconut. And the important industry is also coir extracted from coconut. That coir extracted from the coconut also is the main industries in Lakshadweep, and many tourists are visit in this Lakshadweep, in this island also, that is Lakshadweep. Okay, so this is our chapter. So today we are discussed island and which are the two important island and all. So mostly our this first chapter is over. Now we are going to discuss fill in the blanks, true or false, and question answers. Okay, so fill in the blanks. First question is the Jog Falls is in the state of dash. That answer is Karnataka. Second, the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats meet at dash hills, that is Nilagiri Hills. Western Ghats Eastern Ghats meet in the place on Nilagiri Hills. Second one, third one, the Bandravgarh National Park is a major tourist attraction in dash, that is in Madhya Pradesh. Fourth one, dash is the most popular festival of Maharashtra, that is Ganesh Chaturthi. Fifth one, the cellular jail is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Then activity B, want to write true or false. The Chota Nagpur plateau lies in the central highlands. The answer is true. Anamuti is the highest peak in the Deccan plateau. That is also true. Third one, Bhilai is the famous for tin mining. Is it true, children? No, that is false. That is in steel plant. Bhilai, it's a steel plant. And the fourth question, Kannada is the main spoken language of Karnataka. That is true. Fifth answer, Lakshadweep lie in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. That is true or false, children? That is false. That means Lakshadweep is in Arabian Sea. Okay. So the first question you can see, which hill ranges surrounded the central highland? ഏതെല്ലാം hill ranges are surrounded by the central highland? That is Aravalli Hills, Vindhya Range, Rajmahal Hills. These are the surrounded the central highland. Lots of hills are there. You can write any three. Okay. Then second question, list 5 minerals found in the southern plateau. Southern plateau, which are the minerals you can found from there? That is coal, iron ore, copper, manganese, diamond, gold. These are the minerals you can found in the southern plateau. Third one, why is mining an important activity in Jharkhand? Why is the mining is an important activity in Jharkhand? എന്തുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കും ജാർഖണ്ഡിലെ mining important activity ആയി മാറിയത്? Because the importance of Mumbai High. Near the Mumbai High is that the region has large deposit of petroleum in this region. So Mumbai High lana they are depositing the large of deposit of petroleum in the seabed. So that is the reason Jharkhand is the sorry children, third question, why is mining an important activity in the Jharkhand? That the mining is the important activity in Jharkhand because the state rich in minerals. That is the answer. Okay, Jharkhandile endondana mining important activity aayathu? Because that is important, they give the importance to mining because the state is rich in minerals. That is the reason. Okay, and the fourth question is that what is the importance of Mumbai High? What is the importance of Mumbai High? That is the answer is the importance of Mumbai High is the large deposit of petroleum near the seabed. Okay, that is the fourth answer. Fifth one, which are the 2 island groups in our country? That is Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Okay, one of the thing and answer also from there. Can you travel to Andaman Nicobar Island or the Lakshadweep by train? Train li poyittundo children? Is it your travel by the train going to this island? No, we can't go to this island. We can't go through the train. So that is also this chapter. So read your textbook proper, study this all question answers, fill in the blanks, true or false, everything. Okay children, thank you.